Born in Belgium in 1898, Rene Magritte began his career as a graphic artist and quasi-abstract painter, but his work underwent a transformation in 1926, when he began to reinvent himself as a figurative artist. A key canvas in this project was The Menaced Assassin, his largest and most densely populated painting to date. Completed in 1927 and included in the artist's first solo exhibition, at the Galerie Le Centaure in Brussels, it helped launch his career as a surrealist painter whose interest in severing the links between surface and essence would remain a constant. In September 1927, Magritte moved to Paris to be closer to the French surrealist group. His 3 years there would be the most prolific of his life. Surrealism, a movement led by André Breton, sought to liberate the mind by subverting rational thought and giving free rein to the unconscious. Magritte, by contrast, pursued a figurative style that, in his words, challenged the real world through a naturalistic and highly detailed depiction of ordinary objects and subjects. A signal development of Magritte's time in Paris was his word paintings, in which he sought to investigate the relationship between text and image, often breaking apart well-worn connections between the two. One such work, The Palace of Curtains, 3, presents viewers with two representations of the sky. Magritte thus divided a single concept into two, cleaving its visual and verbal signs into discrete, self-contained panels. Image and language interrupt one another, challenging artistic conventions of representation and urging viewers to ask which, if either, is more real than the other. Magritte reimagined painting as a critical tool that could challenge perception and engage the viewer's mind. His was a method of severing objects from their names, revealing language to be an artifice, full of traps and uncertainties. He died in 1967.